Is hand posting numbers into PowerPoint the bane of your life? Ever felt you could be using your time for more valuable insight and analysis? For years, market researchers have been manually putting together their PowerPoint reports. This involves either typing numbers or constantly flipping back and forth between Excel and PowerPoint, copying and pasting from data tables into charts. Repeating the same tedious steps over and over again is prone to error and eats into valuable time that would be better spent analyzing the data and finding insights. Introducing Graphique, your own personal reporting assistant. Integrated directly within PowerPoint, Graphique understands the unique charting needs of market researchers. Simply open your Excel files from within PowerPoint itself, and Graphique instantly lets you drag and drop your desired data directly into any chart type or table, maintaining all your branding, layout, and formatting. Graphique then allows you to sort or re-rank your data, add base sizes, statistical significance testing, and question text, and so much more with a click of a button. Graphique. Market research reporting has never been easier.